In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a website with Wix from scratch, step by step, even if you've never built a website before. Wix is one of the easiest and most powerful website builders available, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started, choose the right setup, and begin editing your site the way you want. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, freelancers, small business owners, or anyone who wants a professional website without coding. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. You can do this by visiting wix.com and navigating to Wix Studio, or directly using the link provided in the description. Once you're on the Wix Studio page, look for the option that says Create New Site and click on it. If you're not logged in yet, Wix will ask you to sign in or create a free account using your email or Google account. This account will be used to manage all your websites in one place. After clicking Create New Site, Wix will guide you to the next screen where you need to choose how you want to start building your website. Here, Wix usually gives you multiple options, such as using templates or starting from scratch. Take a moment to review the options, because this choice determines how much control you'll have over the design. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the option to start from a blank canvas. This is ideal if you want full creative freedom and want to design everything exactly the way you like. Once you click Start from a blank canvas, Wix will begin loading the editor. This part may take a few seconds or even a minute depending on your internet speed, so just be patient here. While it's loading, Wix is setting up your site structure and preparing the design editor for you. When the editor finishes loading, you'll see your new website open inside the Wix Studio editor. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can edit everything on your site, including the header, text, images, buttons, and layout. To edit any element, simply click on it. You can change text by double-clicking, replace images by selecting new ones, and drag elements around to reposition them exactly where you want. At the top or side of the editor, you'll find menus for adding new elements, such as text boxes, images, videos, and sections. You can also add pages, such as an About page, Contact page, or Services page. Wix makes this very simple with drag-and-drop tools, so you don't need any design or coding experience to get started. As you continue editing, make sure to save your progress regularly. Wix usually autosaves, but it's always a good habit to manually save as well. You can preview your site at any time to see how it looks on desktop and mobile devices, which is extremely important for making sure your site looks great everywhere. Once you're happy with your design, the final step will be publishing your website. When you click Publish, Wix will make your site live on the internet. You can use a free Wix subdomain or connect your own custom domain later if you want a more professional look. And that's it. That's how you create a website with Wix, using Wix Studio, starting from a blank canvas and editing everything yourself. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.